In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a retro film damage effect in DaVinci Resolve step by step so you can give your footage that old school vintage worn out film look. This is a simple effect, but when you use it the right way, it can make your clips feel much more cinematic and authentic. Whether you're editing a landscape shot, a travel video, or any kind of nostalgic scene, this technique is a great way to add character and style. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and select the landscape clip that you want to give the retro film damage look. Once your clip is selected, go over to the effects library. This is where you'll find a wide range of visual effects and tools that can be applied directly to your footage. In the search bar, type film damage. When the effect appears, simply drag it onto your clip in the timeline. This is the foundation of the look, and it instantly starts adding that damaged, aged film feel to your footage. Now that the effect is applied, the next step is to fine-tune it in the inspector panel. Go to the inspector and look for the dirt section. This part controls how much dust and grime shows up across the frame. You'll see a density slider here, and this is one of the most important settings for keeping the effect believable. If you set it too high, the frame can start to feel messy and distracting. A low to mid-range setting is usually the best choice because it gives you that subtle film-worn appearance without overwhelming the actual footage. Adjust it slowly and preview the result as you go until it feels just right for your scene. After that, find the scratches switch and turn it on. Scratches are a huge part of the vintage film look, and they help sell the idea that this clip has been pulled from an old reel or an aged archive. Once scratches are enabled, you can adjust the scratch speed to match the style you want. A slower speed can feel more natural and classic, while a faster speed can create a more distressed, chaotic effect. The best setting depends on the mood of your video, so feel free to experiment a little and see what looks best on your footage. Next, go to the temperature shift slider. This is what helps introduce that warm, aged tint that makes the footage feel more nostalgic. Older film often has a slightly altered color balance, and a subtle temperature shift can help mimic that look really well. Move the slider gradually until the clip starts to feel warmer and more retro, but try not to push it too far unless you want a very stylized result. The goal is to enhance the vintage feel while still keeping the image visually pleasing and easy to watch. Once you've adjusted the dirt, scratches, and temperature shift, play back your clip and review the full effect. This is the best moment to check whether the film damage looks natural and balanced. If it feels too strong, reduce the density or scratch settings a little. If it feels too clean, increase them slightly until you get the right amount of aged texture. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially when you're trying to create a believable retro aesthetic. And that's it. You've now created a retro film damage look in DaVinci Resolve using just a few simple settings. With the film damage effect, the dirt section, scratches, and temperature shift, you can quickly turn ordinary footage into something that feels nostalgic, cinematic, and full of character. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.